viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on fitting braids. Yes, so let's get on to it. Please, before we start, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. And also I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your support. If you want to get the dummy head, I will leave a link on my description where you can order the dummy head. It's easier and faster to learn with. So let's get on with the tutorial. I'll start with the hair, the natural hair. So I'm going to start adding my extension. This is the first one. Now I'm going to add the second one, so watch closely. So I'm going to cross it over like as if I'm doing a Ghana weaving. Take notes, it depends on the size of the braid you're doing. If you're making a jumbo braid, you can cut your extension bigger, yes, to make it look big. So now I've already crossed it over, so I'm dropping this one from my left hand side, and then I'm picking it up again, adding it under my on the right hand side, holding it with my thumb and index finger. So I'm going to weave again. I'm adding another one. As you can see, it's very smooth. It doesn't have the attachment to a corset is not showing. So this is the difference between Ghana weaving and fitting braids. Ghana weaving, the cross attachment will show, but in fitting braids it doesn't show. You're hiding the extension inside, so that's the difference. I've just crossed, added another extension, so I'm removing this one in my left hand side. Now adding it again on the right side. So I'm going to add another one. I'm using my picking finger to hold it just like that. We did on the Ghana weaving tutorial. So I'm going to drop it, and now picking it and I'm putting it under my right hand side. Alright, so I'm going to add another one. You cross it as if you're doing the Ghana weaving braid, and then you remove this one on your left hand side, you braid, and then you carry the one you dropped and then put it under your right hand side. Now I've done a video on how to braid Ghana weaving, how to do Ghana weaving braid. If you've not watched the video yet, I'm going to leave a link on the screen so you can go watch it, and you see the difference between a fitting braid and a Ghana weaving braid. So I'm going to add another one. As you can see, guys, it's not showing, but it's increasing and the size. So this is called a fitting braid, and if you want it to come out very nice, you have to hold it tight, not too tight if you're doing it on a human hair, so you don't hurt your client, but you have to hold it tight so it looks firm and it comes out beautiful. So I'm going to add another one. Cross it as if you're doing the Ghana weaving braid, and then you remove the one on your left hand side. You carry the one you dropped and then put it under your right hand side. So this is it for the first one. I'm no longer adding extension. I'm just going to weave it down to the end. And when you are doing a fitting braid, you have to mind how you pick your hair from under. Take it gradual, don't grab too much hair. It's not going to come out nice. can see how beautiful it looks. These days people do more fitting braid than Ghana weaving braid. I hope you find the video useful. It's pretty easy, it's not that difficult. Just like you're making Ghana weaving, but the difference is the crossing extension doesn't show, you're hiding it. Again for the second time, so I'm going to start with braiding just the head. So I'm now adding my first extension, just like I said previously. You cross it and then you remove the one on your left hand side, you add it under your right hand side. So I'm going to add the second one. You cross it, you remove this one on your left hand side, you add it on your right hand side using your index finger, your thumb to hold it. Take note, let me repeat it again. If you're making a fitting braid, you need to be mindful of the amount of hair you grab, because it's going to affect the weaving. If you grab too much, it's not going to be neat and you find it difficult. And then you see all the crossed extensions, but you can't see it here. This is just like ordinary weaving, but it's not, because as you're going you can see the size is increasing. Alright, that's it for fitting braids. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. See you on my next video guys. Bye.